we have just been going up quite a bit for a while. It's also earnings season, and if you look at equities, traditional financial equities, they've also taken a major hit. So that's kind of where I would think this is coming from, is maybe weakness from traditional finance, and then we're just kind of getting the
could be. So we're trading at just under 115K at the time of recording. So down on the week. The sell-off is, as usual here, not Bitcoin specific. ETH is down currently at around 3,650, which is about an 8.5% drop from its most recent high, which was just shy of 4K. And then I got the Bitcoin dominance chart here. So it has risen from its recent low of around 60% of the entire crypto market cap, now at about just under 62%. So Bitcoin dominance showing strength, I think, as it usually does during these market-wide sell-offs.
Yeah.
We got $400 million liquidated from the crypto markets in the past 4 hours. So bit of a bloodbath out there.
So I don't have no idea why people would be levered long here around here. It just seems unwise, but there it is. Liquidate those late shorts. It's rough. Overall, though, like just in general as a gut check, this doesn't really concern me at all. It doesn't seem anything to worry about. We're still obviously in a bull market, blah 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 blah.
Where would you be looking to if you had some dry powder on the sidelines? At what level here would you be looking to scoop up some Bitcoin or other cryptos?
For Bitcoin, I think I would look. I think there's I would say an easy level like 112, like 112,500, kind of where I would look. That's where you had the big breakout, and there was a top in May. So that would be the next place. Let me see. Hold on.
That level.
And if it bounces off of that, that's where I would try to probably pick something up. If it goes through that, then you would be looking at like 107, 500, like 1,007, 500, and that would be the next level. So 12.5 and then 107.5 for me. But that would be a pretty big 107. If it gets down to 107.5, that's a pretty juicy thing, I think.
Would you be looking to like potentially go long there with leverage at that level?
I've given up on leverage. That's just not. I'm so bad at it.
Okay, that is a juicy level for you.
Yeah. And honestly, for me, I have enough Bitcoin, so I wouldn't be probably picking up Bitcoin, but I would use that to give me a signal to look at other things. I think of note, honestly, is if you look at pump. It's kind of been, even during this market action, it's kind of consolidating around this like 0.002, like between 2.2 and 2 and 3.
Yeah, around just under 100 billion market cap. It seems like it's formed a bottom. So as we talked about before, pump forming a bottom, it does seem like it's due for a pump.
Yeah, and also someone's buying it right now. You see that? I mean, so the market's puking, and someone's
pump is not going with it. Yeah,
it's not going. Yeah, and that, to me, that's a pretty good sign. Now, will this continue? I think if we continue to puke, this eventually will kind of break through that level. But even still, I'm starting to think that just from a trade, I don't think long term this is anything worth anything.
Yeah.
But just from a trade perspective, this seems decent and a reasonable signal that at least somebody thinks that this is worth buying at this level and is not really letting go below this level. So I think that's what I'm going to probably look at getting once the market turns around.